Welcome to Spyder Auto's Euro Taillight Installation Guide for the Chevrolet Colorado. Before we get started, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Start by opening the tailgate. Remove the two Phillips screws securing the taillight. One of the screws is recessed in the tailgate catch. Now we can unseat the OEM taillight. Remove the park lamp socket from the top position. Remove the turn signal/brake lamp socket from the center position. Remove the reverse lamp socket from the bottom position. Then you can remove the OEM taillight. Now locate your Spyder taillight. Never touch exposed bulbs with bare hands. Reinstall the park lamp socket into the top position. Reinstall the turn signal/brake lamp socket into the center position. Then reinstall the reverse lamp socket into the bottom position. Then go ahead and seat the taillight, being careful not to pinch the harness between the taillight and body. Then reinstall the two Phillips screws. And you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your Chevrolet Colorado with a set of Euro-style taillights from Spyder Auto.